All right, guys, what is going on? In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money fast on Whatnot. And our first on the line of is inventory. So make sure you do have an inventory. So for me, it's Pokemon cards. For you, it may be Funko Pops. For you, it may be clothes, golf balls, golf clubs. I've seen people sell lipstick, makeup, all those kinds of things. But on our first, of course, if you're wanting to make money on Whatnot, you've got to have inventory before you start. You've got to have something to sell. And of course, along goes with that, you got to have the shipping supplies. And if you don't have the shipping supplies, you can get them free on USPS.com. Do check them out. Of course, that is the mail carrier service, and they do offer free shipping supplies. You can also get some supplies off Amazon. For me, I do order a lot of mine off Amazon because I like specific shipping supplies, certain bubble mailers and stuff like that. So you can always do that. Or you can even go to like Walmart, Dollar Tree, and other things like that. They do have very cheap, inexpensive shipping supplies. But again, at the end of the day, make sure you have an inventory of something you're going to be selling. And if you're selling multiple different things, that's fine. Just make sure you have the products. And that's how you're going to be obviously able to make money in the first place. Second, engage with your audience, guys. Make sure you are 100% engaging with your audience. I've had people come into my streams and ask me how my day was. Of course, respond to them and ask them back how their day is. And if they want something in particular, like a specific card you may have, Funko Pop, or specific line of clothing, whatever that case may be and whatever you're selling, make sure you are engaging with them, showing them, talking it up. Obviously, the people in your live stream are probably going to be interested in the same hobby that you are, as a lot of people that come into mine are interested in Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, other cards like that I'm selling, and like these card sleeves here. So make sure you are engaging with your audience if you want to make money on Whatnot. Of course, that just adds to the piece of the pie to make more money, engaging with your audience, getting followers, stuff like that. Okay, the last one is just go live, guys. Just go live. If you have something and you have something you can sell on Whatnot, you've seen other people do it, and this is something I struggled with for a few months before I finally did it, just go live. Just go live and start selling. It was very unorganized at first for me, but it's fine because you just need to go live and just start selling. And those guys are the three main points of how you can start making money on Whatnot fast. And if you guys have any more questions or comments, leave them down in the comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys want to start selling on Whatnot and you're not sure how, there is going to be a link in the description of all my videos. All you have to go down is to whatnot.com invite seller. It should say Reaper's Show now, Reaper's Card Show. And you're just going to go to this and it'll look like this and you'll just click start selling. And if you don't have a Whatnot account and you haven't started selling yet, you can just simply click that link, put all of your information in and start selling on Whatnot, guys. Go do it.